Bill has had a couple rough days for him. His eyes are swelling, bruised, he's bleeding all over, and his wrist is even worse. It doesn't look good. I don't know about him. He's starting to smell too, like the zombies. I just hope we can get him help. So, I have to figure out how I can save Bill. He's my best friend, I can't kill him. What the heck? Bill, settle down. You don't want this. Bill, sit down. Sit down. Oh, crap. Blanket. Fuck this bitch. Ow. That should be good. Bill. Oh my god. Haha, you stupid zombie! Don't cry. Bill, don't want to do this to you! I need to go find help. Go find help. I need to find help. Oh my god, I gotta... Who is it?
Me.
We got it. Thank God it's you, Sheriff. My friend, he's a zombie. I don't know what to do about him, though. Have they found a cure yet? You think he's gonna die?
I don't think anybody's found a cure yet.
So, you think we're gonna have to kill him?
Possible.
Here, can you hang on to this, Sheriff? Sorry, Bill. You're all good. Now his hand's gone. Sorry, sorry. No.
You did the right thing.
No.
Don't do it, son. Don't know.
No.
That was very stupid of him. Looks like I'm the only one left in Blackwater. It's channel 3113 zombie something, but this is Sheriff Roberts signing out.